Hello, my Tangle buddies and art buddies. Welcome to Tangle and Inspire, yet another inspiring session for you. So, today we are looking into a beautiful pattern called Groovy. It's a beautiful tangle by Eden Hunt. It is her first tangle on the site. So, we are as such looking into the old tangle patterns that was created in 2011-12. So I think this will be really fun to play with it. So the Groovy tangle also is quite similar to the other tangle that we did, Scramble. So I'll just put the link on the I on the right side above, so you can just click on the I button and go into that tangle if you want to see what we did with the Scramble. And so as she says that she was very inspired to create this tangle pattern by raised texture on the wooden walls of an elevator, and the tangle goes on two types of strokes, over and over in different directions. So let us just simply dive into this tangle and see what we created. I have also shown some more of examples of creating groovy tangle, so that those are my variations. You can choose to take any of it and use it on your tangles. And if you are choosing this tangle pattern and really like it, please work on it and post it on the Instagram or Facebook. You can directly tag me as Tangle and Inspire, and so that I can easily check it out. And I'm creating some S shapes going in two different directions. So one is the straight S and the other goes the other it's mirroring the other side. So you can create like that. And for groovy tangle, it is nice that we create S shapes even inside it, so a little bit more curve than the scramble that we played with. So I think that's the little bit of difference between scramble and groovy, though I don't see much of the difference. But I think so you are seeing me using a 2-inch square cardstock. This was the leftover cardstock from my bookmarks. So if you had not seen my bookmarks and bookmark session I had held on Instagram, so you can see that as well. It is still saved on my IGTV. You can see my Instagram videos, and wherever I am live, even on my Facebook page, I am quite chirpy. I can show my emotions so well, but I don't think it is the same with the voice. So do let me know, comment down below how you find the voice recording. Is it the same? Are you happy with this just voice recording, or it would be really nice to show my face and talk? I don't know how well that will go, because camera I have to get ready every day. But it will be nice, I think. It will be really nice small ceremony just before I start the little video shoot. So I think for the 2 videos a week, I should not make a more fuss, isn't it? Yeah. So now you see me tangling over my journal copy, and this is the journal I bought from Amazon. It is Fabriano Quadrato Artistic Journal. It's a quite beautiful journals. The papers are very thin, but it is very good and very nice for inking surface. So I use my Micron pens, pencils, shade, and even General's charcoal pencil for this, and it works well. And so you see that I have taken a string. So whenever I am in doubt, whenever I don't know which side to go, I always do a string. So string gives me a lot of interest and desire to put it on. So I chose the most friendly string, the side of the string, you can say. If you are here for the first time, you don't know what is string, I just want to say that string is something that we create sections on the page that we want to do. We want to create the art. So there is a minimal of decision making. So we don't have to keep thinking from where to start, where to end and all. So the pencil lines are the beautiful guidelines for Zentangle. So I'm quite a purist in this manner, I think. So yeah, these days whatever art that I am creating is all in strings, whether it be large piece or the small piece, or even my daily challenges that I have been putting on Instagram. So yes, I'm right now a part of a 31-day challenge. If for Indian tanglers, we have set it up for Monsoon Zen India 2020. It's a nice Facebook group, and I'm seeing so many beautiful tanglers now joining in for this beautiful challenge. It's so fun to watch them, to see them come up with so beautiful ideas. I think I'm learning a lot from the group. I am so happy being a part of that group and seeing so many people there. Oh, this was really fun. I tried to shade. I took a long time in creating that kind of black, brown, full dark brown and light brown with the pen. So you may not be able to see it fully. I had to cut out that footage because it's quite long for the video. So now after I finished everything, I started shading, and I'm just choosing First I tried to choose the center, the white side. So I kept two variations over here. You can see one is the dark vertical, like really very standing, the one that is standing out. You can see the tangle, and the other goes a bit subtly, but overall when you see the end, I think it all looks very dramatic and very beautiful. They all look quite even because of the shading. So that's fun. That was really fun, and I hope you are enjoying this part of the video as well. So now you see that I used my General's charcoal pencil to highlight in the centers. So just to add a dash. For this book, the General charcoals work very well. It has 5 shades of paper. So that was really fun to experiment. So now I'm choosing the tangles over here, which tangle to go about. I have a small bijou size cardstocks where I just store all the tangles that we did in past 2 months from April onwards. So yeah, so this batiki, I picked up the batiki. It perfectly fits in that area. So I think it's really fun. So let me just speed up the video for you because I don't want you to don't want to take more time of yours. So as you watch Batiki how I draw, I just want to give you a couple of announcements for what is coming next. So I got a really nice review for the hand stitch round book that I created. So I thought I'll create one more. Since I'm using this for the 31 days challenge, and the first book I created was only for 20 pages. So now the second book I want to create for like 10 or 12 pages more. So like not pages, sorry, the cardstock, like I'm using the round tiles. So I'm trying my best to show the footage. I have already taken the video, but I don't think I'll be able to I don't know whether that video is so justified. So maybe I'll try once again to create the video and post it for you guys, so then you can see what exactly I did. I just used whatever hand material I had at home. So whatever is available, you can like use it creatively for your small like a handbook or a journal for your tangling. So that's what I'm just here to inspire, and I'm quite a scrappy person. So I felt that I was playing like I used to do in my childhood. I used to just experiment with whatever cardboard or papers or anything I had, and if I screw it up after 3-4 hours, so it's okay, I felt, because I'll start overdoing it, and then I said, oh my god, it's gone, I lost it. So so I felt the same experience. It was very nostalgic to create something by hand, to do some kind of small crafty work. So it was fun, and I'm doing it for Zentangle, and it's like so personal for me. So I hope you enjoy that video. I hope I'm able to put it up on coming Friday. And if I'm not able to put up on the Friday, I hope I put it up by next Monday. At least I want to create one more book.